Good afternoon, everybody. Just so you can understand how to best access your courses for tomorrow and understand where your schedule is at, what you are going to do tomorrow at 8 a.m. if you are in a credit recovery course or a CTEM course is log on to Schoology. When you log on to Schoology, you will click courses at the top, and from there you will see all of your courses. The courses will list what block they are. Block 1 is the first class that you need to be in. That starts right at 8. When you click into your block, you will do just like you normally did for second semester and go into conferences. And from the conferences app, your teacher will start the class. For seat time students, you will be going to 4 different classes from 8 to noon. And for credit recovery students, you will be going to classes from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. There will be blocks in there, but you will access all using the same one course. For students who sign up for self-paced courses, those more information about those classes will be coming out closer to July 1st, and the self-paced courses will start on July 1st. And that will be a different portal outside of Schoology, but you'll get all information on that soon. If you have any questions, please just shoot me an email. If you think anything is wrong with your schedule or you see anything that is confusing, just send me an email tomorrow morning and we'll get it straightened out for you. All right, thanks.